If you're looking for a beautiful cabin for your land, guys, this is the one we call the Appalachian cabin. Just beautiful, guys. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Got a big old 8-foot by 50-foot porch on it. Absolutely stunning. 20-foot high ceilings. Give us a call today at 812-595-4033. 812-595-4033. All right, guys, this is the Appalachian. Give us a call, 812-595-4033.